Hey guys, so this is Fernando C. Here's my Charge 4 that I got last year that I've been using that I've really liked, but I decided to upgrade. So I upgraded to this Fitbit Sense. The reason is that I wanted to be able to use GPS for a longer period of time. That was one of the main reasons. This one I think does about 4, maybe 5 hours of GPS on at all times, and then it cuts out. And I did the walk to Santa Barbara, which was 5 days, 88 miles. That I was walking for 9 hours. I did a marathon walk recently also. So I wanted something that I could have GPS on for a longer period of time, which this lets me do. This basically runs about 10 hours if GPS is on. And so I got this one, and I'm going to show you. This is the package that comes from Costco. They have a pretty good deal right now where it's $50 off. So I think it comes down to costing about $270 or so, $270, $279. That was the cost of this one here. And it also comes with an additional wristband on the side, which is kind of nice too. If you've used these new Fitbit, they have this weird way to put your wristband, the locking mechanism, and the sport one they gave you is the normal one, which I kind of like better. And I've been using it. So this is what it looks like when you unbox it. There's basically 2 pieces in here. So you have this, which is the band. So basically what they do is they just rebox it on the bigger box with these 2 pieces. So if we open this one here up, let's put this over here, and let's take this out here. This is what the presentation looks like. And the cable's missing. The cable was over here. But essentially, here's the watch and what it looks like. All right, and here's the band that it comes with, and then the additional band is in here. So that piece that we saw in here is actually the different length for the wrist strap. It comes with both the large and the small. And something that's really nice too is how this comes off, like the locking mechanism. You just press in here. It's much easier than previous models, and like the Charge 4 and everything. Where, let's see, I have to open it, I guess, here. So let's do that. There, that unlocked. Go like this. Then I push in here, and it just snaps off on both sides. All right, so then the new one here looks like this. Oops. And let's open that up. And this one attaches, let's see, right here on this side, and then this other part attaches on this other thing. All right, so another nice thing about it, I've been using it, like I said, for a couple of weeks now, is that it's not as thick as the Charge 4. If you compare them, it's slightly thinner, and it actually makes a difference, because I've had trouble with the Charge 4 where at night when I go to sleep, I don't feel comfortable wearing it. It feels a little too bulky. And with this one, which is actually wider, it's actually thinner, and it actually doesn't bug me at all. So I don't feel like I need to take it off if I want to like monitor my sleep every single night. So that's been kind of nice. So far I really like it. I do like the battery length also. I think it lasts about 6 days if you don't use the GPS. And the charging is fairly quick, and it's magnetic down here. So the charging piece just plugs in right there. And here's actually the charger. I just grabbed it. So it's USB, USB, and it's magnetic. So when you put it against this here, it'll just, if it's going the wrong way, it won't snap in correctly. But if you flip it, then it snaps in. And that's how you charge it, and you plug this in. So it's pretty convenient, pretty easy to do. All right, so yeah, so far I like it. Thanks for watching this. Hope you like this quick unboxing of the Sense. And we'll catch you at the next one. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Take care.